Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. So I have an unboxing for these Try the World snacks. I will put, of course, the link down below in the description so you guys can check out. Before we do, please like, subscribe, and share. Comment down below, have you ever tried snacks from around the world? And let's get into this box. Alright guys, so I feel like I haven't done an unboxing video in forever. I also have to do an updated video of postpartum life. I'm 3 months postpartum at the moment. Alright, so this is the box inside. All these goodies. Let's see, we have roast jowar puffs tomatoes, roast fruits. Here's some of the nutritional facts. Show to pause and read. Then we have this roasted seaweed snacks. Then we have this bonchi. It's chocolate, caramel toffees. Then we have these jelly peas, chocolate coated jellies in a candy shell. Oh, that's interesting. Then we have this Potis Donitas. They're lime and salt flavored wheat snacks. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like this one. Then we have this Chocolinas. We have vaquitas tablet de dulce de leche. We have Chumi sour gooey filled centers. Oh, look at this. I need to try that. Then we have, there are so many things. Kiki Tutti Frutti. I think I've had these before. Most likely. Then we have soft black licorice. Okay, I'm saving that for my dad. I do not like black licorice, and my dad does. I can't smell it too, but just the smell or the thought of smelling it makes me... This is chocolate wafer bites. Ooh, I'm gonna like these. And then we have Euro cream. Is Nutella? Okay, so growing up I had these wafers, but we usually have the vanilla one or the strawberry one. This one has Nutella. I'm not sharing that with anybody. And then last but not least, a guava nectar juice. Oh my god. Guys, you have to see all these goodies. Hold on. Look, there is so much going on right now. Yeah, so this is everything. Let me know down in the comments if you've ever tried any of these. I'm really excited for this one to try it out. I'll probably post it here and me trying it because I have to make an Instagram reel about them. So I'm probably going to try them on the Instagram reel, but I'll add it on to this video. And yeah, I'm mad because this one feels broken. I'm definitely not trying the licorice one. This I'm giving to my dad. It's Christmas time, so he'll be getting this in his stocking. I definitely cannot wait to try this one. And I actually want to try this Vaquitas Dulce de Leche one. And definitely this guava juice. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Let me know down in the comments which countries do you think these are from. And I gotta figure out what countries these are from, actually. Because it didn't say on the box. They didn't give me like a little, you know, like little note card. But anyways, have a good day, afternoon, evening, whichever time you're watching. Like always, please, please, please stay safe out there. Bye now. All right, I really wanted a snack, so I'm gonna try this. In the review, I didn't try the snacks yet, but I'm gonna try it here. And hold on, we're gonna see my reaction. This is limon and sal, which is lemon and salt. Wheat snacks. I'm sick. I had a fever yesterday. I don't know what I had, and my head is killing me. But hold on. Okay, this is what it looks like. See that? It smells good. I don't know. It tastes good, but I can't give you a definition of what. Like, I could taste the lemon and the salt and the wheat. Is that crazy? Like, I mean, it tastes good. Don't get me wrong. Yeah. 10 out of 10 recommend. It just has a distinct taste to it. It has to be the lemon. It had a little tang. What's this? Toddies, Donitas. Toddies, Totis, Donitas. So these are. So yeah, if you've tried these before, if they have other flavors, let me know about them because I want to try them all out. I really like it. I'm glad I opened it.